Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Telangana Intermediate Practical Exam latest update. Most of the students they are eagerly waiting to know when is their practical exam. In this video we will see when is their practical exam. If the practical exam is postponed, what is the effect on the theory paper? Let us start the video. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for any latest update of our board exams. As we know that the new notification is released by Telangana Intermediate Board that Telangana Intermediate Practical Exam 2021 will be held from 7th April as per the schedule that is released by BIE before. Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education TS Practical Exam 2021 for first year and second year student that will commence from 7th April. However, with the recent rise in the COVID cases following closures of school, students have concern about the upcoming exams, how they will held. The following completion of practical exam for BIE students, the theory paper for the same are scheduled from 1st May. Therefore, any postponement or any changes in the exam schedule for practical exam is likely to impact the theory exam timetable or data sheet as well. Practical exams is likely to continue as the amid concern of student rampant and rumors and speculation about the postponement of practical exam by local media agencies, Telangana have reported despite the rise in the cases, the TI is likely to hold the practical exam for students as per the schedule announced earlier. Because of the considerably delay due to the pandemic, the exams are already being held later than usual dates. Therefore, any further delay would have significant consequences on the academic future of the students. In the light of these sources have hinted that the Telangana board will hold practical exam as per earlier schedule. So students be ready, the exams will be held practical exam from 7th April. This is brief about the practical exams. Let us update and the effect what effect will happen on theory exam. If they delay the practical exam, they have to delay the theory exam as well. So board has decided they will conduct the exam from 7th April. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to our channel. Thanks for watching.